welcome to Young Turks, India's longest running show on entrepreneurship. I'm Shireen Bhan. Now, after featuring Anil Kumble and Zahir Khan on the show, we bring you another cricketer who's starting a new innings. Yuvraj Singh has been bitten by the e-commerce bug and is launching a startup fund called YouWeCan Ventures. While other cricketers have put in money in business, Yuvraj is the first to float a venture fund. The man who was on the World Cup winning squad for India spoke with Nantha Rai about his newfound love for venture capitalism. Here's an excerpt of that conversation. Yuvraj Singh, the Indian Premier League's costliest player this season, is starting a new innings as a businessman. He's floating a venture fund that aims to support young entrepreneurs by investing in startups across sectors like e-commerce, healthcare and food. YouWeCan Ventures is expected to announce its first investment by June, right after the IPL season where Yuvraj is playing for the Delhi Daredevils.
You're ready to start a new innings in your life. You're turning into an entrepreneur. Want to tell us a little bit about that?
Well, yes, I think getting a bit mature in my old age. Just want to start up few business opportunities. I think the online world is quite big and want to invest in some future ventures, some business opportunities, and helping young entrepreneurs to expand the business and make India a better place.
So can you tell me a bit what you're planning? It's a fund. What kind of business is going to invest in? What's the size?
Well, obviously we're calling it YouWeCan Ventures, and spoken to a few friends and associates. We're looking to invest about 40 to 50 crores in the next 3 to 5 years. I've spoken to a few friends and associates, trying to make it, I mean, if they are going to come on board, we're going to try and invest up to 250, 300 crores and see what opportunity we get in the market.
So how come you decided to go down the e-commerce route and maybe not raise capital to invest in cricket, in sports infrastructure?
I think sports infrastructure is already doing really well. Obviously, as I said, I'm not just saying e-commerce, whatever opportunities we get, but I think e-commerce is the way to go. The way the online business is improving and going, the evaluations you get on the online platform. So I think it's a great opportunity to invest and to see new startups. So
just because you're a great sports person and you've been the man of the tournament in World Cup 2011, etc., why should we believe that you're going to be a good entrepreneur?
Well, you don't have to believe I'll be a good entrepreneur, but you have to believe I can help a lot of people who need the support. And as I say, young people have a lot of big dreams, and I had a big dream when I was growing up. So I think if you have a good team and good people come to you, good work can happen.
So do you have a professional team in place?
Definitely I have. As I said, we're going to call YouWeCan Ventures. All the details are going to be online. The website is going to be on, and I look forward to help a lot of people and do something good for the country.
Are you going to be leveraging Yuvraj Singh, the brand name, as well when you have this startup fund? Like if you invest in a startup, would you automatically become the brand ambassador?
Yeah, definitely. I wouldn't say I'll be the brand ambassador. I would definitely love to give my name, but I think giving your name will also give an opportunity for a business proposition to start. So I think the name would be the most important thing.
Tell me which sectors in e-commerce you like more. Is it hospitality? Is it food? Is it retail?
I think all the sectors are important. Hospitality, food. I think for me, healthcare is the most important thing. People have started to take their health very seriously. Since my experience, there's one area I would really like to concentrate on. So yeah, a lot of opportunities over there.
So when are we going to see the first investment?
Very soon.
How very soon? Before IPL 8 ends?
Well, hopefully we'll get a few things going, and just look forward to my new venture.
Okay, if I can just talk to you a little bit about cricket now, because we're on the closely heels of the IPL 8. You're one guy who's been an icon player. You play with 4 franchises. Why do you think that you have to keep changing teams?
I just feel that you've given a time to a franchise, and when a franchise has been with you for 3 years, they like to try out new teams and new experiments. And you move to another franchise which would like to have you in the mix of things. And as I said, these things are not in my hand. The financial parts I don't really understand, so I think every team wants to be a better team every year, so I guess.
Which one do you think is going to be the most dangerous team?
Teams like Chennai and KKR have been very consistent in the IPL format. So hopefully we can build a team who can be consistent in the future. Delhi has been playing consistently in the first 3-4 years. We just have to get things back together.
You did lift the World Cup. Do you think the 2015 team had the caliber to lift the World Cup? Do you think it was as good a team?
I wouldn't compare the teams because in 2011 we had a lot of experienced players. A lot of 2015 was a young side. So, and I just thought that, you know, on a given day, a momentum takes a team to the victory. So I just think on a big day as semi-finals, the Australians played a better game.
I'm just going to ask you this question because so much has been written in the last few months. What's your relationship with Dhoni really like?
See, I can't really comment on it because I have not been in the selection process. I don't know what's going on in the selection. I think every time me and Mahi have played, we've had a great partnership. We've had good friendship, and so you know, I can't really say what's happening in the media. I can't really talk about it. I'm very comfortable playing with him, and look forward to playing for India again. Are
you going to also invest in cricket in any form whatsoever? When I talk about that startup fund?
Well, definitely, yeah. Cricket is a big part of me, so I look forward to start a YouWeCan venture in cricket as well. So everything is in process.
My final question to you. The team is back and IPL season is now starting. So is it a new chapter, new innings in Indian cricket? What do you think needs to change?
I think I've had a few tough years after my recovery. You know, my body's taken a lot of time to come back, and things are much better for me now. I just want to focus on my game, whatever years I'm playing now, on my fitness, and prove to myself that, you know, I am still good enough to play at the best level.
But do you think that we play too much IPL? How do you react to that?
IPL is just one season.
But do you think it's ruined the game? There's so many people who say that IPL has ruined the game.
Everything becomes popular, people always talk stuff about it. So I think IPL gives a great platform to young cricketers to expand their game, get opportunity to play with international cricketers, and I think it's a great format.
Yuvraj Singh here is wishing you all the very best for IPL 8 and your new innings as entrepreneur. Now this week, Snapdeal, our young Turk, was making headlines once again. This after the company acquired FreeCharge, a mobile recharge and discount coupon provider. Though Snapdeal has not disclosed the deal size, the team claims together they represent the largest m-commerce player in India.
There's 75 million recharges in India that are done every day, out of which only 2 to 3 million are done online. We believe eventually tens of millions of these recharges will be done online because it is just so much more convenient, and there is instant gratification for the user in transacting and doing their mobile top-up or the data plan top-up online. It's also providing a gateway to first-time transactors to come online, and the combination has hence become the largest m-commerce company in the country, with 40 million users doing 1 million transactions a day, with 30 million mobile apps already downloaded and counting.
If you can talk about the deal size, or at least give us a structure that is involved in the deal.
It's a stock plus cash deal, majority of stock and not cash. Most of the FreeCharge shareholders have taken stock in Snapdeal, which we are very happy about. It's a strong signal of their confidence in the combined partnership.
On that note, it's time for a break, but when we return, find out how 3 entrepreneurs are truly and madly revamping the hushed-up online dating services market in India. Stay tuned.